friends, today we are going to see how to make this beautiful doily pattern. It is very simple, so let's get started. So for this project I have taken 4-ply acrylic yarn in 2 colors, white and pink, 3 mm crochet hook, scissor and a tapestry needle. First we are going to make a magic circle. And in this magic circle we are going to work 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I will close the circle by pulling this yarn tail. Now we will make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. Make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. So that's our first round. So for the next round we are going to chain 3, make a double crochet into the same stitch. To the same stitch we will make a double crochet. So in the next stitch we will make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2. So next stitch also we will make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. So like this we will work 2 double crochets in each stitch. So at the end we will be having 24 double crochets. So now I am at the end of this round. Finish this by making a slip stitch on top of the chain 3. So round 2 is done. For round 3, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. So in the next stitch I am going to make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Then in the next stitch I will be making 1 double crochet. The next stitch I will increase, that is 2 double crochets into the same stitch. 1 double crochet in next stitch, increase in next stitch. So like this we will continue this round. 1 double crochet, increase. So we will repeat this. So I have finished this round with a slip stitch. So for the next round, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Then in the next stitch I am going to make 1 double crochet. Then in the next stitch we will increase. So 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Then in the next 2 stitches we will work 1 double crochet. So 1, then 2. Then in the next stitch we will increase. So 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Then increase. So like this we will continue this round. So I have finished this round and cut off the yarn and hidden all the yarn tails. Now I will start with the next round. For that I am going to join this pink yarn. So join this pink yarn anywhere. Pull the yarn through the stitch, then chain 1. So now we will chain 3, and this counts as a double crochet. We will work 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. We will increase in the next stitch, that is 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So we have 3 double crochet in 3 stitches and an increase. So we will continue this. 1, 2, 3, increase. 1, 2, 3, and increase. 1, 2, 3, and increase. So like this we will finish this round. So I have finished this round. So we have made 4 rows of double crochet. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows of double crochet. Like this we will be repeating till row 9 in this same pattern. So here we have worked 3 double crochet in 3 stitches and increase. The next round we will be working 1 double crochet in 4 stitches, then increase. Then in the next round 1 double crochet in 5 stitches and increase. So like that we will be increasing till row 9. So for the first 3 rows I have used white color. So for the next 3 I will be using pink, and for the next 3 I will be using white yarn again. So I will be meeting you at the end of row 9. So I have finished all the 9 rounds and cut off the yarn. Now I am going to join the pink color in the next round. So join the pink yarn in any one of the stitches. Pull through the stitch, then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I am going to work 1 double crochet in each stitch. So in the next stitch 1 double crochet. So like that I will make 1 double crochet in each and every stitch of this row. So like this we will continue till the end of this row. I'll meet you here at the end. So I have finished this round. For the next round I'm going to join the white yarn. Going to join here, pull the yarn, then chain 3. So this counts as a double crochet. Then we are going to work 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3. Then we are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will skip 2 stitches and make 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we will again chain 4. Then we will skip 2 stitches. Then we will again make 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches. 3 and 4. So we will continue this pattern and finish this round. So I have finished this round, and we will continue with the next round. So for that we are going to slip stitch into the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2 and 3. Then we are going to slip stitch into this chain 4 space. Now we will chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Now we will make 3 double crochets into this gap. 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to chain 3, and I am going to slip stitch into this stitch. Into this loop I am going to make a slip stitch. Then we will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will slip stitch into the same loop here. Then I am going to chain 3. I am going to slip stitch into this loop. Now we will be taking both the loops here and slip stitch. Now we will do 4 double crochets into the same gap. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have made our first set. So we will continue with this in the next chain 4 gap. So we are going to make 4 double crochets into this gap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will chain 3, slip stitch into this front loop. Now we will chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, going to slip stitch into the same loop. Now I am going to chain 3, then slip stitch into the same loop, but this time including the back loop. Through these 2 loops we will make a slip stitch. So now we will again work 4 double crochets into the same space. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are going to continue this same pattern and finish this round. I'll meet you here. So now I'm here at the end of this round. I'm going to finish this off by making a slip stitch on top of this first chain 3. I'm going to slip stitch here and cut off the yarn. So now I'm going to hide all the yarn tails with the tapestry needle. So our doily is now ready. Hope you guys like this video tutorial. So press the like button, leave a comment, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.